Ready? How y'all doing today? I have a secret.
Ooh.
I have this cardboard box that I'm gonna make with my house.
Ooh.
Oh, there's a Roomba inside.
There's a Roomba inside. Ooh, secret dog. What kind of Roomba is that?
The shark.
Nice.
So, let's get started with my stress test.
Yes. What do we have on the floor here?
Plastic flowery pellets.
All right.
Let's see if there's lots of beads on his back. Huh? 0 chance of beads.
Good. Then it means it charges good.
You see? 0 chance of beads.
Good. What Roombas are we using today for this stress test?
S9, 670, and shark.
Okay. The I2's out.
The I2 is going to be in, but how do you think my sweeper got over here?
What? There's a sweeper over there? There it is.
Maybe it just zoomed in over here.
I think so.
Because I see some tracks.
Oh, man.
So it must be the sweeper.
Must be. You gonna start them all up? Okay. Oh, toe starts.
Oh.
Oh.
I2.
It's dead? Well, we'll have to use the others. Nice. Came right out. Cool. You want to try the S9 too?
Nothing.
Good. No, don't take it all apart.
No, I'm not taking it apart. I'm just looking
The 670's working alone. He needs some friends to help him.
Oh, the metal things here is jiggling.
Oh. We'll press clean and see what happens. Oh, he likes your back. He did like the secret passage. Like, oh, what's this? He's doing great. You should move the I2 out with the sweeper since it's dead. Uh-huh. It's got good suction power.
Let's see if this can fit into the S9 when it doesn't have a flap.
I don't think. What do you think? Will it fit? No.
Twice this the same size. Oh.
Perfect.
Not making sounds.
It'll go in a minute. Sometimes it takes forever for that S9 to start. Maybe you gotta like press the button again or something. We don't know.
Look at I put the finger under the camera.
You could be like a magician and be like, alakazam, alakazoo, start you Roomba, toodaloo.
Abracadabra, abracazam, make the S9 start again.
Yeah, that rhymed way better than mine. Maybe you press the button again. You always have the magic. You think it'll go?
I don't think.
We don't know.
Click brush. These are the click brush.
Yeah.
I see some screws on the brushes.
Hmm. I can't believe the S9's not moving. Maybe just keep pressing the button till it works or something. Alakazam.
Alakazoo, make my Roomba. Poo poo poo.
Poo poo poo. It should go.
Abracadabra, abracazam, make my Roomba. Poo 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 star.
It's so weird. It has a full charge. It always just has a mind of its own. Oh, he does whatever it wants. I like your stickers on there. Let's zoom in on the sticks. What do we got here? Some bluey wooey.
Some bussy wussy.
Buses and blueys. Nice. Well, I don't know why it's not starting, but start the other ones. Let's get this baby cleaned up in here.
Look at this. This is make sure.
It's like Roomba magic.
No magic. Roomba something magic. Magic.
Magic. What is that, the filter? Looks pretty dirty.
Doesn't pop out.
Mm-hmm. All right, if you're not going to start these, I'm turning this video off.
You can turn the video off.
Okay. Say adios, amigos. Adios. What was that? Hey, adios.
Adios.
Nice. See y'all later.